Hi, M6013. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers of Hong Kong. My name is Raquel Onayan Gonzalez. I live in Malvar, Batangas. I'm age 35 years old. I have a blessed 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl. The age of 5 years old, 12 years old, and 15 years old. I have a single mom, but I have a live-in partner.
Your
Um,
religion.
my religion is Roman Catholic.
Highest educational attainment.
I a high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I'm working experience as a helper in the Philippines. 2 years experience. I'm a housemaid.
Okay, other household chores that you do.
General cleaning, iron, washing, and cooking and take care of children.
Okay, how old the children you take care?
6 years old and 1 year old.
Okay, since you have an experience taking care of a 1-year-old baby, so you know how to prepare a milk for a baby.
Yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
Check the temperature and change the diaper if wet and if hungry.
Okay, if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you do everything, what will you do?
Call the employer and bring to the hospital if needed.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I'm 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 work in Hong Kong because I'm provide the financial of my families and I want to finish study of my children.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
The employers want me or I want to finish my contract.
Okay, so it is okay to extend your contract, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn?
I'm watching YouTube and buy the Chinese book.
Okay, cookbook.
Yes.
And you can also ask your madam and sir if you have an employer in Hong Kong if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepare foods that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the
Yes,
food.
sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
If your employer wants you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup, it is okay with you?
Yes, sir. I can.
Okay. Um, it is okay to you to take care of elderly.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To all future employer, please hire me. I'll do my best anything. Please trust me. I'm working. I'm just working and I take care of your children as of my own. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Raquel. Thank you.
Thank you.